Squad, walk on. We're back with the chef, Sarju.
In the building, T's.
Me and Sarju been a talk. I know he's one of our resident chefs. So I say, yo, if we make a channel about food and thing, with the cooking, with the reviews, all them shit. We need a name for the channel though, cause we came up with a name and forgot it.
How?
So yo, let us know what you should name below about it. It'll go with me and Sarju. Right now we're actually going to test out a Jamaican breakfast. We'll show you the spot, we'll show you the food, we'll give you a little review, and that's the first step.
Breakfast, lunch and dinner one time.
You mean order 3 meals one time?
Yeah.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Brother, I don't want to eat no more in a dog. You see the here already? Alright, yo, I head to the spot, so big up the blood clot self. What you are thinking for breakfast?
I feel like I need to detox somebody with a liver.
I love kidney too though.
Yeah, bro, kidney make everything right. Like, by the way, guys, it's on Annette Crescent. If you want to check it out, Annette Crescent. That's a tight.
I like it.
Leftist.
Leftist? What do you mean leftist, bro? The man want left the camera for the food review. What the fuck? This channel is failing already. Oh, these are triple T's. Boy, look like breakfast done. Okay, yeah, it don't look bad still.
Changman food, yam, banana. Banana, okay. That will do.
You have any natural juice? What?
Natural.
I'll take a June plum, yes?
Just water. You have coconut water? Chocolate.
Alright.
Alright, well then water then. Sun kind of fed up.
Yeah.
I don't know guys. The review for the customer service is kind of interesting, but we are working with it. Food can make up.
I ordered liver, dumpling and yam and a June plum juice. What you order for eat?
Liver, salt mackerel, and everything except dumpling. Sweet potato, yam, banana. Country style, I get into that.
Alright guys, that's why I'm a slim thug and he's a fat Mac.
You got dumpling.
Yeah, but bro, I got liver, dumpling and yam. You got everything but dumpling.
Yeah, bro. That means I'm stronger.
For the customer service, I don't really know, cause we got to see it ourselves. They don't have nobody. They run on a menu. Customer service, no. Wait till the food. End of the day, I give a review on it, but it's not gonna be a 10. That's for sure.
Food might be a 10, but
You think so?
I don't know, bro. Food might be a 10, but overall it might be like a 7.
You eat here often?
No.
So you don't know if food is good?
Nah, but last time I had it was good still. I can't remember what I did get last time.
Starting up this channel, so I might drop this one on Top Lodge so you guys can give us ideas of what you want, naming and thing. And you give us feedback if you rate it, we're gonna do a full channel. You see me?
Our competition right now. Our competition is stuff like, remember that?
Yeah, that. Alright guys, we got a June plum juice, so let's do a fresh pour.
June plum. Sick that.
Yeah, fresh.
Tastes
good. A little sourish, like you just bite a fresh June plum, so I don't think there was really sugar in there like she was telling you. Let's take a sip. Actually, I'm sick.
But you're always 6'2", something always wrong with you there.
It's the travel. Always on a plane, beer. Trinidad, everyone's sick after carnival. 100,000 people, y'all walk up, cough in their face. Yeah.
Bang.
Yeah.
People.
Yeah.
People.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Oh, yes. Watch ya now.
Right.
Okay.
I'll give him a bite of the. What is it again?
Liver. Bro, I don't understand what tonish means, guys, but I'll find out when I bite it. I love liver.
Salt mackerel.
Yeah, salt mackerel. Alright.
Can go on still. I'm not gonna rave about it.
So I was at 10, what you would give it?
6.
Alright, not bad.
The liver's definitely better than salt mackerel.
Like Pokemon, I put, you know, hot backways because I get serious now. I feel kind of toughish. So in the initial bite, you taste the flavor and the flavor good, but it's like it dry up fast.
Yeah, bro.
I don't know how to
It's
explain.
almost like it then at the warm up too long. Like,
Yeah. But guys, we could be late, Gene. We could be late because it's what, 10 a.m.
Yeah, it's 10 now.
Yeah. So honestly, maybe
Late for breakfast.
yeah, maybe I've come back and try it again in the morning. We will do that, but right now it's good enough.
Can eat.
As a great snapper would say, just can't eat.
It's gonna eat. Yeah, bro, even the salt mackerel, it's just a little thick, bro. Like they're there a long time, isn't it? Like well thick. I really like thick salt mackerel, so I don't know about one.
Yeah, so that's our initial review. We're gonna go cook up the food though and talk to you soon. What is that?
Even though my review is just a 6, I'm hungry, bro. I was very hungry. I woke up this morning and I had it in my heart. I was going to eat a bad piece of breakfast, so either way, I just have to shall it.
To be honest, I can switch the cap back now. The work is done. I'm going to give them benefit of the doubt and say we came late for breakfast. And I would try it again. It wasn't bad.
Not for now, probably after a year.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10. That is it. Honest reviews is it, so I do it. Nobody can bribe us. Unless you want to pay, like, I mean, you could.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Joke, I probably just take the money and tell the people, say shit.
Bro, like, I don't know. Like, you know, sometimes when you don't eat a Jamaican breakfast and you feel happy about it, like, it just, like,
Yeah.
like,
You're not feeling that?
yeah, bro, now I feel more sluggish. I think the next place is Sonia still.
Alright, next restaurant up, we'll do it this week. We can do it by Thursday.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll do it this week, Sonia, so stay tuned and check us for that one. Alright guys, and that's our first review from, what, 2 youths?
Yeah, that bad.
How do you think we did on our first review?
But I don't think we did bad. I think the place could have been better though.
Yeah.
We could have definitely found a hit spot.
Yeah, so
We'll go find it though.
we're gonna find it spot and yeah. Alright guys, this is it. Triple T's. You know, if you need a food and thing, why not? But
They go make it tired.
6 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yo, we need a rating system too. At one point when on Top Lodge, I was trying to get a rating system of.
Let's go from strongly disagree to rat that shit.
I was going from my father to get 0 to 10 bumbo clots. Like 10 or like 10
Yeah,
is a
bro.
blood clot, 5 is a bumbo, something like that, you know? Guys, help us make a rating system down below that you would like. Alright, later.
1 is a shit.